Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Sierra, and I'm back with another video. Have my son have me do the whoa. I'm just, I'm just kidding, but you guys, I'm gonna get ready to show you a video of me changing my hair. I'm getting ready for a trip. They say it's hot where I'm going, a little over 117 degrees. Yeah, I would wear my wigs, but I want a little scalp breathing situation, so let's get right into this video. I will be installing these butterfly locks, and I will be using Nola Tress 1B 18-inch. I wanted a 24, but where I'm from, where I live, they were sold out. I actually been holding on to these for a long time, and when I decided to get a 24, they're sold out. So I decided to stay with my 18. I have 7 packs. Hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. It gives what it's supposed to give. We're gonna see. Stay tuned. Watch me as I change my look. Okay, you want to start on freshly clean hair. So the tools you will need is a comb. I have 2 different kind of combs. This one and this one. I have 2 different kind of clips. My brush, crochet needle, and the extensions. Now what you want to do is, I'm not going to talk much, I'm just going to go ahead and do the video. I will say this, I have donated a lot of my edges to the streets, but it's okay. I'm doing this protective style to give my edges a break. And yeah, so then I part in the middle. You may notice I went back over my parting in the front. I will end up with 6 rows on the left and 6 rows on the right in the front. Okay, when you're doing the left side, you want to part from the back. Okay, because it allows your parts to be straight and not at a diagonal. So these are diagonal and this is more straight. Okay. You will notice I will be doing 2 methods. I'll be doing the rubber band method as well as the plaited method. So of course I don't have any patience to wait to see how the outcome. So you notice I will do at least one crochet midway to just see how it's going to turn out. You'll also notice that it got quite challenging to stuff this butterfly lock in a small loop that comes on the crochet. If you have an easier or better method, let me know, but this was a bit challenging for me. Same thing to this side. You start at the bottom. Now you may notice that my parting and braids are not the neatest, but this is for educational and demo purposes. I am trying out the butterfly locks for the first time, so just look and learn. So I didn't make a big deal about the braids in the back. Don't mind my braiding or parting. I did the best that I could on my own. And plus, I am too excited to see this butterfly lock look. So you can get creative if you like what you're braiding in the back. I just chose this because it's the quickest.
One hour later.
Some of the lock extensions allow you to stretch the loop out to be able to fit the butterfly lock through there. It is not easy on most of the locks. Only a very few allow you to do this. I'll pass. I wanted you to see every step of the way of the struggle. I do not want to be like most YouTubers that will skip through the hard part and make it look easy. This is what you can look forward to. You want to be very, very careful to make sure the roots are loose. You'll see in this next part what I mean. This is a bit tight. You want to be very careful around your edges. As I mentioned, don't come for my edges. I gave my edges to the streets, but now I am giving them a break. You guys, don't come for me in the comments. Let us pray. Lord, please let these locks stop fighting me. Okay, 4 hours later, and this is where I've gotten. The struggle was real. Okay, there are some things they don't tell you, and I'm not done, by the way. Okay, about installing these. They bunch up when you're installing them. The little hole that comes with them is quite challenging, okay, to get this done. So I found a way. I found a way to I have to stretch this out. It's a lot of stretching you have to do to get this to be bigger. So after the 4th hour, I figured that one out. And you just will need definitely a lot of patience and time to do this, because when you're doing it this method, it's challenging. Another thing that don't tell you about this is it's stupid, okay? Very stupid. This little hole through here is almost impossible. Each individual one was taking me a couple of minutes to do until I learned stretching this. And each one of them, they are handmade. So this loop is quite smaller on some of them than they are on most. So it's just depending on the crochet, you guys. But is it worth it? I like it. I feel earthy. I feel closer to my roots. Okay. But would I do it again for a client? Yes. But myself, no, I wouldn't do it again. I'll give you an update once I install it all in. But tell me what you guys think. Till next time, you guys. Bye.